Today, we'll be installing the Daystar Products upper dash panel for the Jeep Wrangler JK. Begin by applying some painter's tape on either side of the factory panel and use a trim tool to release the clips in the rear. Lift up and pull back to release the front of the panel and disconnect the compass module. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that hold in the compass module. Remove the 2 factory clips and compress the clips using needle nose pliers and install them on the Daystar upper dash panel. Install the compass module on the Daystar panel using a Phillips screwdriver. Now we can flip the panel over, reconnect the compass module, and install the dash panel. Start with the front of the panel down so it will catch the dash, and then push down in the back of the panel so the 2 clips will engage. The 2007 to 2010 JK upper dash panel, a safe and secure way to store your electronic devices, accessories, and more.